Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us on this Saturday night first alert weather day. That snow is coming down quite heavy at times now here in Fargo. A live look at our Luther Family Ford Skycam network in South Fargo. Here is a camera view of I-94 in Jamestown, and visibility is low. You can hardly tell what you're looking at, but that is in fact interstate. And here along Highway 13 in Verona, there is a spotlight out on the road, so it makes it a little hard to see with the glare, but that road is completely covered in snow. So let's get right to it. Your satellite and radar tonight showing that snow continuing to make its northward ascent, and we are seeing some bands of heavy snow as well. Grand Forks, get ready to see that snow here soon. It's just on your heels. Looks like Lakes Country seeing just some light snow at this hour, and snow making its way up into the northern valley. Look at these darker blue bands near the Mayville area. That's where we're seeing some heavier snowfall rates. And taking a closer look from around Mackville all the way through Findlay, Mayville, and Hillsborough, seeing some decent snowfall rates at this time. In fact, anywhere within here where you see that darker blue banding, snowfall rates could be up to 1 inch of snow per hour. So that will add up quickly through the overnight hours. Here in Fargo tonight, I do expect snow to continue all night long with some fairly steady temperatures and increasing wind. Out of the southeast tonight, sustained with 20-mile-per-hour winds gusting over 30 miles per hour. That's not yet, though, our near blizzard conditions. I'll get to that in a second. In Grand Forks tonight, you can see those clouds on the increase. Snow is right around the corner, and I expect it to continue through the overnight with steady temperatures as well. And of course, that wind increasing out of the southeast. Now let's time everything out in your hour-by-hour forecast. The next couple of hours, that snow is going to continue to move to the north and east. And look out for those brighter bands of dark blue. You can also find them on your Valley News Live weather app, the interactive radar, for where those brightest blue bands are for the heaviest snowfall rates. But we're going to see snow, and the wind is going to start to increase through the overnight hours for all of us. Now, by Sunday morning, if you have brunch plans, you're planning to head out to church, if your service hasn't been canceled, it's going to be tricky. The roads are going to be slick and snow covered. The wind will still be a problem. It's still going to be snowing across the northern valley. Across the southern valley, snow tapers off, but the wind is going to pick up, and travel could still be quite dangerous. Even as that snow begins to taper off from the west to the east, I do expect the near blizzard conditions as the wind switches directions out of the north and northwest, gusting over 40 to 50 miles per hour, leading to blowing and drifting snow, greatly reduced visibility. And there's going to be a lot of snow to pick up and blow around. Between 4 and 8 inches of fresh new snow, with those blue bands here on this map, between 2 and 6 in the medium shade blue, my dress shade blue, and lesser amounts down across the southern valley. In Fargo, I expect around 3 to 5 inches of snow, with higher amounts up towards Grand Forks and into portions of Lakes Country and through the Devil's Lake Basin. Tomorrow in Fargo, your day looks like this, starting with a little bit of light snow. It's going to taper off, but then we could see periods of snow continue through the afternoon, and temperatures are going to rapidly fall through the second half of our day. 3:30 p.m. temperatures, seeing some 20s and some 30s, but only in the teens up in Langdon as some Arctic air is getting ready to be ushered in behind our snowstorm. It's going to be a cold blast on Monday. You're waking up to wind chills in the teens to 20s below zero, so we have issued a first alert weather day for Monday. It's going to be a cold one. And Tuesday, we'll wake up to air temperatures in the single digits below zero, along with a little light snow across the south, but the wind chills won't be quite so harsh. From there, things are looking a little bit better. We warm up into the 20s and 30s. A couple chances for some light snow, but no other big snowstorms like this on our horizons.
I was about to say, this is enough for now.
For now.
All right, thank you so much, Summer. Coming up, a veteran and his family received the keys to their new home thanks to a national organization aiming to help disabled vets.